So in a basic structure of the satellites, we have the photovoltaic panels which are attached to both the sides of the wings, right? And then children, they have the signals. There are some instruments which is installed inside it, so that the signals can be transmitted or it can be received also. So now different satellites have different functions. So accordingly the things are installed in it, right? So depending upon that, we have different satellites. Now the signals transmitted from the earth to the satellite, and from the satellite to mobile tower and mobile phone to us is already known to you, right? The satellites are sent in the space to perform the functions, different functions. So due to it they have the various category also. See, this is regarding our mobile panel से कैसे होता है, हाँ? So we have the all the towers, and then they are catching them signal and then transmitting. So this is how the message is sent. Okay, so you have many buildings, you must have seen जिसके ऊपर टावर लगा होता है. So this is how the transmission takes place. Correct? Now, depending upon the functions, we have different satellite. So first, let us say very important one, and that is INSAT. If you heard INSAT के मिले चित्र के अनुसार ऐसा ऐसा करके न्यूज़ बुलेटिन में बोलते हैं. So what is INSAT? It is the Indian National Satellite. And we have one more important, GSAT, that is the Geosynchronous Satellite. So these two are the important one, and that now we are now depending upon the function, different systems are there. First one is India's Regional Navigation Satellite System, IRNSS. See, the first letter is taken from all. Second one is IRS, that is the Indian Remote Sensing Satellite. So in the remote areas it is used, where your desert and all. Then we have the Geosynchronous Satellites Launch Vehicle. Children, there are some satellites को launch करने के भी launch vehicles चाहिए. तो we have the one is GSLV, that is Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, और दूसरा है PSLV, that is called as the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. So we have PSLV, that is the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Okay, so these two are used. Got it? Okay, now let us understand the different types of satellites and the function of it. So sometimes in the exam also they asked about this.
Excuse me, miss.
So the first type of satellite, weather satellite, is used to study and predict and for the prediction of the weather. So here we have two satellites, name is INSAT and GSAT, and we have the launch vehicle as GSLV. So for example, you will get that you can say in the weather report, whatever is told in the end. Weather report, in that whatever they show, that is the picture taken from this satellite. Then you have the communication satellite. Communication satellite is used to establish the communication between the different location in the world, and through the use of the specific waves. So it is used for the communication purpose. So that is, again we have the same launcher GSLV, and we have the same satellite INSAT and GSAT. जो टीवी प्रोग्राम आता है हम लोग को दूरदर्शन, फॉर दैट we have the telecast broadcast satellites which work is to telecast all the TV programs. Okay, the programs which are visible here will not be visible in America. So again here we have the INSAT and GSAT with the same launcher GSLV. Now little different. Let us go to the navigation satellite. So navigation satellite fix the location of any place on the earth's surface in terms of its very precise latitude and longitude. Every type now you are also on mobile, you are using the navigations, right? So वो कहाँ से आता है? Through this navigation satellite. So we have a different launcher for it, and that is PSLV, and we have the satellite is the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. So IRNSS. Then we have the military satellite. Children, for the you can say safety purpose, we have not told you the name of the satellite and which is the launcher. एक confidential होता है ना, that is why. So I am just telling you the function of it, that is to collect the information for the security aspect of our country. The last one is Earth Observation Satellite. Yes, this is something to know about the desert, forest, ocean, etc. So for the explorations purpose and for the management of the natural resources and the observation and guidance in the case of some natural calamities like the flood or the earthquake. So this is what it says कि अभी यहाँ पे ज़्यादा ज़्यादा बादल आ गए तो you may have a flood over there, or there is a chance of earthquake. They as a type of rays are sent in the core of the earth and we get the information. So we have the Indian remote sensing satellite for it, and we have a launcher PSLV.